Okay, okay. Breathe. Aleena, this isn't just a market, it's an entire universe. Smells, the sounds, the sheer volume of beautiful things. My brain is already on sensory overload. I can't even read half the signs. Is that a pickled radish or a mystical creature? Oh God, I think I just bumped into someone. Smile and bow! Was that too much bowing? I came here to find a small, unique gift. How do you find one thing in a place that has everything?
Ah, the fun is in the looking.
Okay, tactical retreat. My brain needs a break. I just wanted a simple gift, and now I feel like I'm trying to solve a Zen riddle. Hello? Are you looking for something to drink? Or perhaps some advice? You look a little lost. I'm trying to buy a teacup for my aunt, but I can't understand anything. It's my first time shopping in Japan. I understand. I can help you. Thank you. Ah, a teacup. A lovely gift. Our market can be a bit overwhelming. Sometimes, the best way to choose is with your heart, not just your words. Thank you. For everything. I think I found the perfect gift. It's more than just a teacup. Okay, mission, find, price. Operation, point, and pray.
A fine plan. Let's begin. Right, praying. Ah, this one here is the finest quality, but that one is a real treasure.
He is so sweet, but I have no idea what he is saying. Is he saying this one is better, or that I can't afford it, or that it's cursed? I just want to buy a teacup! Sumimasen? How much is this?
Ah, that one is 500 yen.
Oh, I see. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you for everything. I think I found the perfect gift. It's more than just a teacup. A memory, yes, and a lesson. That sometimes the best conversations aren't spoken.